morning, good morning, good morning. Y'all, tell me why I'm supposed to be up at 6 o'clock. And the Lord wakes me up at 7:15. I'm supposed to be at the house by 7:30. I was like, oh my gosh. And then I had to go back by the studio because I forgot that they were doing graduation pictures at this daycare as well, Head Start. Bruh, not the best start to my morning at all. Today's challenge is a behind the lens through my eyes, so I already have that recorded. I just need to go in and edit it, and then I'm supposed to be paying attention to noise. All I hear right now is wind. Oh my sweet Jesus. Today is going to get better than this. I know that it is. Yeah, I got a 35-minute journey from the studio to where I'm headed. The Lord did give me enough time to do a quick moment of quiet time, so I'm about to listen to a sermon on my way here because my total drive time is like a smooth hour 10, I think. So I'm about to go ahead and listen to Stephen Chandler. Then I'll listen to him again with Mama if need be. Yeah. Baby, when I saw the time, and I was like, the frustrating part of it was I had checked my time twice because I was like, I didn't hear her tell me that she had it set twice. And I'm like, okay. And because I'm so set in my ways, what I'm going to use here, the moments that I have to jump up and start running, it gives another headache, and I'm just like, bruh, I thought I woke up without one. Or let me say, I thought I went to bed without one. And it's like, okay. But you know what we're about to do? We're about to get it done. I pray that these kids, look, I've been to this one before. So that's one less battle that I have to fight. They're still afraid of the light. That's not going to change. But they know me. And I'm only going to do a one light setup because they put me in the hallway. And so my space is already cramped. So we're just going to do what we got to do, how we got to do it, and pray that we get some good smiles and that the parents buy the pictures. That's the goal. Not the way I want to start this one off at all. But we're here now. We are here now. Let's pray that I clear this traffic, which I think I might. Because I was like, bro, we too close to 8 o'clock time to do that. And so here we are. Here we are. Yes, Lord. It's going to be all right. That it will be. That it will be. Let me jump into this sermon. I'm going to pick y'all back up later. Oh, man. What I did want to do was I did want to go fly the drone because I'm going up to like the Texas state line almost. But I think that the rain said it was coming between 8 and 1. And I should know. My prayer is to be done. I'm trying to be out of there by 11:30 because, baby, when it's time for lunch, that's all she wrote. Plus, it's less than 60, I believe. So I should not be there that long. But it's graduation too. I don't know. We're gonna see how this go. But y'all gonna be great. Make today amazing. Yeah, you wanna know what this weather looks like? This weather looks like we about to end up in the hallway with our head tucked between our knees. That's what this looks like. And I'm like, do I have bad core memories of weather looking like this headed to school? Cause baby, it don't look as dark on camera. It is darker than it appears to y'all. I'm just like, bruh. Okay, I feel better. I done calmed down. I just finished Stephen Chandler's Misplaced Joy, Displaced Strength. It's like the Lord be knowing in what I need to watch at what time I need to watch it. That would not have had the same. Ooh, I didn't know they was building a Blanchard Medical. Okay then. What was I finna say? I don't think this message would have hit as hard as it did on Sunday or Monday morning when I normally watch it like it did today. And that's why it's like the Lord's timing be everything. Because it's one thing to not have joy or to have it misplaced in a season. And that's why I say I went through that year after Dad's passing of being like, I really want I want to enjoy joy. And it's like, this sounds so simple, or however, it's like, girl, boo, what I need you to realize is that you're so weighed down in grief that it's not even allowing you to see moments that are happening in front of you. And it's like, nah, let me enjoy joy. Let me sit in the duality of this pain and this numbness, because the word that described everything for me was numb. Everything was numb. It's like, how do you feel? I'm numb. And so when someone is asking you to give them a better word, I don't have a better word. And I think those are some of the tough moments of like, I get that you're trying to support me, but when I tell you that my word is numb right now, please don't try to change my word, or how can I say that better? Please don't try to make my word pacify you. I'll say it that way, because it's like, nah, this is numbing. To find your new rhythm, to find your new routine. That was the thing that I noticed more so with my mom after my grandmother passed. Her everyday routine was to check in, make sure she was good, even being in the nursing home. And it was just like, yeah, like life changes. Your normal routes, that doesn't have to happen that way. Because see, grandma was in a nursing home that was the opposite direction of the house. So it's like, you get off work, you know the route that she's taking. And it's like, nah, we're not even finna question any of that. But those routes change. What you're normally doing time for time changes. And it's like, all of this matters. All of this matters. And so give yourself grace. Everything changes. From the moment of, even from the funeral moment after, I was telling Mama, I was like, for the repast for other people, it's the moment where you're seeing everybody, you're taking all of the pictures, it was so good to see you. I hate that death has brought us together like this, but let's take this picture. But it's like, after the funeral, everyone is going back to their homes. They're getting ready for work the next day. They're getting ready for church the next day. All of that. And you are sitting here like, what the world? It's not just a business as usual. It's not just, oh, let's kiki as soon as this funeral is over. You are still in this thing of like, I just put somebody in the ground, or I just cremated somebody. The picture that came up on my time hop yesterday, nope, it was on my iPhone photo memories, and it was just the casket picture going into the ground. I did not know that was going to be one of the moments. I get why they don't lower them until people walk away. To sit there and watch that, and I'm just like, and then the throw this flower, one for the Father, one for the Son, one for the Holy Spirit in. Baby, that flower ain't that flower only made it harder. And I'm just like, okay, I get it. And so it's your experience. Don't let nobody change how you feel, is what I'm trying to say. And I pray that you hear my heart. Do what you gotta do for you, in and through it. All right, it's getting darker. I pray that the Lord gives me a moment to get into the building without heavy rain, because it's one thing to load up in the rain. It's another when it is pouring down and all your stuff still needs to be dry, because you got to go straight in and take pictures. Do it for me, Lord. Do it for me. Oh, the bridge is open. what did I tell y'all? Didn't I say on the way up here? I said this feels like it's gonna be a your head to your knees type morning. Why I walk in, bruh? I walk into them in the hallway and I was like, I just said this. I just said this on the way up here, and like as I'm unloading, the wind is picking up, and I was like, bruh, I just need to get in the building. I just need to get in the building. I'm like, I can make another run. Then it's like, oh, well, there is tornado in the area. Like I literally passed by where it touched. Like, bruh. Then my clothes were like, I was drenched because of how it was blowing. It was blowing directly across. So it ain't matter what. I needed a full body crossing guard raincoat, rain suit today. Bruh, I just want to get out these wet clothes. Thank you, Lord, we made it. Then they were like, well, there's a lot of people out today. Can you come tomorrow? That's not how this work. That's not how this work. Oh, all right. We made it, y'all. We made it. That's all. I just feel like I need to sit here and catch my breath. I'm hungry. Wish I would have ate now. Man, golly. It's been a day. Yeah, it was that moment I had realized I've been sitting in the car for like 8 minutes. And I was like, Brittany, you need to get on the road. It was like, I just needed to collect myself. I'm like, golly. Oh, it has been a morning. I just want to like go get back in the bed and like act like we starting over again. All right. I need to respond to text messages. I didn't respond to messages yesterday. I realized I might have been a little too, I ain't gonna say too sensitive, but it was like some stuff I just didn't want to respond to yesterday. That's all I did. And then I'm over here feeling guilty about it now. It's like, dadgummit, I wasn't supposed to feel guilty now. Man, right about now, I wish I would have packed my little McGriddle in the car. I would have eaten it cold at this point. Ooh. It was been a day. Brittany, start the car and leave. I mean, the car is started. Back out and leave. Man, oh man. All right. Oh, girl, I've been sitting here in reverse. Then I just heard from 2 different people that I gotta go ahead and do all of paradise. So I will start that after a nap or something. I just need a moment. Just need a moment. Time out. Putting my own self in time out today. That's what I'm doing. All right. I wonder. I put my path home in GPS. I have 10 extra minutes en route. And I'm about to pass by where they said that the tornado touched down, which is why it could be a longer journey. But I feel like GPS would have sent me around already. So let's just pray I get through. Yep, let's do it. Y'all, it is a totally different day out here. And I am over here like, yes. Took me a nap. Coach put me back in. I am ready. That timeout was necessary for me. And we back. Yeah, I realized I was overwhelmed and irritated. Baby, a good cry also helped. I was like, Lord, what is all of this? And I realized it was just the combination of everything happening this morning and the rest of my tears from yesterday. And I was like, okay, cool. So when I got up and I was like, bruh, the sun is sunning. And I really want to go back up to Vivian and fly the drone. But I know that that's like doing too much, literally. I don't have another 35 minutes, or I think it was like really only 30 minutes to the place where I saw that I wanted to fly it. I don't necessarily have that a full hour in me. And so I was like, let's be wise. And so I was like, let's go to Benton. Now, I should have gone to Black Bayou, but I didn't. So I'm getting ready to go to the boat launch in Benton, and a different one though, and fly there. And then if push comes to shove, then I can go ahead and go up the road and catch Lynn Road and go to Black Bayou. But I really just want to go out for a minute. The thing that I loved about Vivian was the trees. I would love to do a little close zoom shot towards it. So yeah, it's just that. And then what's for dinner? I don't even remember what's for dinner. Dinner is a freezer meal. Ain't even gotta cook. So all of that is working in my favor. So yeah, let's go enjoy for a moment. And today is the first day in 8 days that this headache that I have had is completely gone. And I am so grateful. Like, golly. Like, for me to fight one this long has not happened in so long. But when I tell you I am grateful, baby, grateful. That's me. So yeah, now let me tell you. So if you have a specialty diet that you are living by, another thing that you must do is pay attention to expiration dates, because we're already paying attention to labels because that's the requirement here. But I probably have 4 or 5 items that I bought expired and did not look at the expiration date until now. So I'm just like, note to self and note to other people, pay attention to your expiration dates while you're in the store. It is another thing that's going to slow you down, but you might as well get in the habit of it because it's frustrating. Because I was like excited to try. What was I about to try? Oh, I found a oatmeal raisin cookie. That bad boy expired November 24, and I was like, dang it. But I wasn't paying attention. I'm excited that I'm finding gluten-free stuff, and so now it's like, okay, pay attention to gluten-free and pay attention to your expiration date. So hopefully that helps somebody else. My tail getting excited because I know I'm coming up. And then I'm looking at these ditches like, oh, flying in between some of these trees right here would be oh so much fun. But I'm not there yet because, baby, one tree will take me down right now. It's like I got to pay attention. I'm going to be cruising, slow rolling. But it's making me excited. So excited. Y'all, I just saw a trampoline in the front yard. I don't remember who sent me this doggone video, this woman. And she was doing so good. She hit her little toe touches on the trampoline. She had 2 good toe touches, and then she hit one more bounce, and she hit the wrong spot of she hit the wrong spot of the trampoline, and doggone just folded up. I ain't never seen that before in my life, but when I tell you I needed that laugh. Oh, look at the Christmas tree farm and the baby trees. They're so cute. But that doggone video was the laughter I needed to lighten my doggone soul. Oh, that thing was funny. Too funny. Okay, so I really thought the lake was one notch closer. And we might not be. Okay, cool. We're gonna ride at this point. I think. Oh, that's pretty. I should be coming around this corner, ain't it? She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Yeah, buddy. Okay. Going to the left or going to the right? Going to the left or going to the right? These ain't the type of trees that I thought was out here, but it's okay. Them Cross Lake trees is what I want. I need to message one of my old teachers. Like, can I come fly off your backyard? Oh, girl, it's only one side in. That's fine. We're going to the one side then. I don't know why I thought it was 2 ways in on this one. Okay, we there. All right. Oh, it's a $5 boat launch here too. Okay, cool. Okay. Where your boat is, sir? You gonna take me on your boat, sir? I ain't got one of them thingy-majobbers, but we here. Oh, he in the corner fishing. Hey there, sir. Okay, we here. So, I feel like I should turn around because last time I was able to attach y'all to the back of the car. I think we should do that again. Yeah, let's do it. The water is so high. And then I'll pay my little boat launch fee. I'm over here parking like I got a boat on my car. And don't. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so we're out here. Full battery. Full battery.
Home point updated.
Boom, home point updated.
Take off. Home point updated.
Okay. Are we recording? We are. Are y'all recording? Y'all are. Let's go. Let's go a little higher. All right, let's go, baby. Ooh, yep. Fly in, Suge. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's pretty. Now, here's the thing. It's a little windy today. Oh, that's pretty. Let's turn. Hey there. And let's go up. Y'all, I think I get nervous when I can't see it. He's blending in with the trees right now. Ooh, that's real pretty. Y'all, I can't see it. There it is. Ooh. Okay. Come on, aerial view. Yeah, let's go. That is so pretty. Oh, man. That's gorge. Should we go higher? Nah. Ooh, we finna go right across the top of that tree. Yeah, buddy. Am I high enough? I think I am. Ooh, that's so pretty. Has me nervous. Let's go a little bit higher. Just so I feel safe. Ah, man. Let's go. It just looks like a bird to me now. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, Brittany, you need other words to describe what you see. All right. It's making me nervous because it's a little further out than I typically go. But all right, that's pretty. Let's do a slow pan. Slow pan, slow pan, slow pan. Oh yeah. All right, all right. I feel like I need to change my speed because typically I be swerving this thing around. Not too bad. Yeah, I gotta go back to Vivian, y'all. Look at the little tree right there. It's so cute. I don't know where I am in this, but yeah. That's really, really pretty. Ooh, there go the, okay, there go the, I should be right over here then. Ooh, you finna see me. There I go. Boom. I like it. All right, so I should go a little bit higher just to make me feel safe. Let's come back this way. There she go. Sometimes I just need to see her. That's all I need is just to see her. That's what's necessary. All right, can I angle myself down? Yeah. Let's keep coming forward. Oh, that's pretty. That is really pretty. Yeah, I don't have better words. That's what I don't have. Keep coming, Shug. Keep coming. I need my sunglasses. That's what I need. Ooh. Can we spin? Ooh, the sun just went behind the cloud. All of the greenery. Ooh, here come a boat, y'all. Ah, man. All right, let's come on home real quick. Come here. I was like, something fell. I think this is that moment where you realize that you really don't know what height really is. That's so pretty. So here go the thing. I can't see it at all. So I know where I am. Bruh, I done lost it in the sky. Oh, but I see them. Ooh, that was a pretty shot of them driving out. Y'all, I don't know what this drone is. All right. I am high enough that I'm not necessarily worried about hitting something. I just don't know where it's at. That's a bird. Yeah, where is this thing? It has to be close to me. All right, so. Y'all, I don't know what this doggone drone is. Sweet baby Jesus. I really thought I went this way. Y'all, I don't know where it is. But based on what I see, it gotta be close. Oh my word, this is funny to me. Y'all. All right. Is it behind me? Yeah, it has to be. Because that bad boy sees this way. Okay. Yeah, this is funny to me. All right, there I go. So, no, go the other way. Y'all, am I above these trees? I see me. I see you see me. Okay, so the thing got to be right there. It has to be right here, and I just can't see it because of the sun. Baby, this is funny to me. Baby, today has been a day. So I just recorded a behind the lens because that was part of my challenge today. But what I'm going to do is upload that separate like I have been doing. Just know that it goes with today. So y'all are good for watching both. So I appreciate it. If you do, and if you don't, it is perfectly okay as well. But that was part of my March Madness for today. And I did it. The other part of today was to pay attention to sounds. So as quickly as I said, I didn't hear sounds this morning. Like there was nothing that caught my alarm. No pun intended, because my alarm didn't catch me. But nothing that was like I paid attention to. As soon as I got to Vivian, what do I hear? I hear the doggone weather alert sound. And then from there, you could hear the wind pick up. And from there, you could hear the rain. And so I was aware of all of the sounds that were around me. And so I was like, okay. I then paid attention to, which of course you're not going to hear right this minute, but I can hear the wind blowing against the house to the point like it just sounds like a chiropractor adjusting. Like that's how hard the wind is blowing right this minute. And then I just wanted to have a whole sound moment. And so I went and did a bath, but I tried what did I try, y'all? Oh, I tried the Beats. And this was my first time having them both in because unfortunately somebody didn't go to the gym last week. And so I didn't have them both in listening to music. So I did a bath with both in. And one thing that I do love about the new Beats is like when you turn your head, the sound goes with you. And I don't have another way to explain it other than it feels like it's moving, like, and it's an experience. So yeah, that was neat. And I did some lo-fi just to like calm me down. Like I said, I'm not sure if it's how my day started. I don't know, but I know that there's a heaviness on me that I'm just like, Lord, I need you to break this. And so it was just like, okay, let's slow down tomorrow. I still have some stuff to do, but I just need a moment to like disconnect. And I knew that my nap today was supposed to do that. And so then I was like, okay, that's what also made me go, let's just go fly the drone. And so I'm not about to include this whole, I think I did like 25 minutes outside. I'm not about to include this whole one because there's a moment when I lost the drone in the sky and I'm like, where is it? Like I see myself on camera, but I don't see the camera. I don't see the drone in the sky. And apparently I had went so high that I could no longer see it like I was. And so it was like, alrighty then, but you could hear my panic in the video. And I was like, okay. But I did enjoy flying it at the boat launch. I think I'm going to try to color correct this one because it is dull. But I realized I didn't put a filter on it when I was out flying. And so I was like, can I fix this in post? I think I can. Do I have the energy to fix it is the real question. So I don't know. But that I do know. And it only makes me want to go back to Vivian area because I loved the trees. Don't ask me. I don't know nothing about trees, but the trees there are different from the trees here. And I want the moss is hanging off. I want all of that. Like that's that good fly below, good boom, boom. That's what I want. So I will make my way back up there one day. But at least I did something for me today. And so yeah, that was what today was like. I paid attention to my sounds. I did a behind the lens. And yeah, we made it. We made it. So I hope that you had a wonderful day today. If you made it this far in the video, drop me some rain in the comment section because baby, that rain was blowing diagonally when I got out this cart. Like, oh, did I tell y'all about that? Maybe I did. If I did, I'm cutting it out right here. If we made it, and we made it. So if you made it this far, drop me that rain emoji in the comment section and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.